What happens if we find out after the breaker's been shipped to the field that we don't have the right accessories, terminations, or trip units in the breaker? The PowerPact range has field installable or field changeable components, so we can do the adaptation in the field without having to order a new breaker. We'll start by demonstrating how the terminations come out with a simple screwdriver. We remove one terminal option and we can simply snap another terminal option in. That's simple with the terminations.